Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video we are continuing under the dash. We have to get this wiper motor in. I did modify the bracket already to clear the clutch quadrant. Welded in some bracing here to keep some strength in it. And then we've got our heater box here. I've got a new heater core and blower motor. The threads for the blower motor got a little messed up, so I'm gonna have to cut those off. And I've got an idea for getting some new threads in there, so we'll see if we can get that done. We'll start off with the wiper motor here. I did get a new welding helmet with a true color lens, and it is night and day difference as far as what I can see. And I think my weld quality is going to just jump up just from being able to see better. So anyway, let's start with this wiper motor and see what we can get done. All right, making some good progress here still this week. We got the heater box all rebuilt and put back in. It is gonna have to come back out. I didn't realize I was missing the new gasket for between the heater blower motor and the firewall. So it comes out pretty easy. That's no big deal. And then we did get our wiper motor built or all attached in there after modifying the bracketry for that. So it's coming along. There's a little less space in here than I was hoping after the heater box was back in. So we'll figure out where electronics go, start working on that in the next video. There's still a couple other things I have to put in under the dash here. There's the fresh air vent over on the driver's side, the glove box. I gotta leave room for a radio, some of that stuff. So we'll start working on that in the next video, but still pushing forwards. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.